Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is just maintaining itself quite well. So we closed up $14.66. That's 1.62%. We close at 922, and the post-market we are up $1. So let's look at what we have on the chart. On the chart, look at this here. We have a decent green candle, longer wick at the bottom here, so showing some buying pressure. And look how we went and touched what's the low of the day. So we see here that we touched perfectly our support line. And I just realized that I made a mistake. The support line is not at 8.99. The support line, I labeled it at 8.99, but it's 8.94. So it is a perfect touch. 8.94. So the two support that we have for Tesla is 8.79. I'm going to double check that one too. 8.79, close enough. 8.79 and 8.94. So we touched perfectly 8.94 here. So we went and retested it. And this is perfectly fine. We are still in the congestion zone between 8.79 and 9.40. Nothing to see here, just a regular congestion zone behavior. So the stock is going back and forth between these two lines. Nothing else to report. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, the first hour of the day was not that great actually. So the stock came down right here, touched the support as I mentioned, then broke this resistance at 9.11. And then we broke it during the day. So stronger second hour candle, and then had a little bit of a pullback here, but did not yet reach 9.11. Then we have a green candle from that point on, and then we close a little bit higher on the last candle. And we have stochastic on the hourly chart at 60. But this is a decent move. This is a nice move. Let's go back to the daily chart. Did that change our indicators? Not much. So stochastic at 40, and yesterday we were at 35, showing a little bit more strength. We have MACD that broke over bullish. So MACD is usually one of the first indicator to show a change in trend. So we have that change in trend here. So that's nice to see. RSI climbing closer to 50, and over 50 is bullish. And DMI is pretty much the last indicator to turn. So this one, we are going to have to wait a while to see it turn. So all in all, perfect day with Tesla. So if you own the stock, you can sell some covered calls because right now we are in a congestion zone and it does not look yet the stock is going to break anytime soon. But you can make your own decision. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. If you like what I do, you can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.